Hi everybody, I'm going to do a little peony tour. Got some really pretty peonies out right now. We're around the pond right now, and I've moved a bunch of peonies that were in the front of the house when we arrived out here. And I think the owner of the property had a really pretty collection closer to the house, some special flowers here. So these are a really pretty one with quite a pink edge with some really pretty centers. I think they look really nice with the pale yellow irises here. And over here is really quite almost rose-like peony. It's so full. Pretty blush color. This is one of my favorite peonies on the property. Gorgeous peach color. This one is just past its prime, and this one is just glorious. And in behind is this beautiful salmon-colored poppy that's just about to burst open. I planted that new last year. And above that is some alliums. One of the most unique alliums. Now these peonies are just about to pop. This is a perfect timing to cut poppies. If you see these peonies, they're just around ready to burst. This is the perfect time to cut them. They are sort of squishy, just like a marshmallow. That's the time to cut your peonies and bring them inside. You can also hold them in a cool place for a little while and bring them out when you want them to bloom. Now in front here I've got these gorgeous irises planted new last year along with some false indigo. I think when that peony comes out, this will be a really gorgeous trio. This is a really pretty white peony. Smells amazing. And when my planter's beside it, it's starting to really look nice. The peonies are just starting to bloom. And there's some snapdragons in there, sort of tucked in underneath with these super petunias, which are supposed to be self-cleaning. You don't have to deadhead them. But I still have to deadhead the snapdragons and probably the peony. I haven't grown that before. I think it's starting to look really pretty. There is a white dahlia in the middle of that planter as well. And it will just come up. It's a big saucer dinner plate dahlia. So that'll be really nice to see when that comes out. Oh, and there's basil. Hi Basil, you're gonna come with me? Come on. Going for a walk. So we're out here in the front garden. 2 years ago, Phil moved all these peonies that were in the boulevard of our home, just down the laneway. And they were so overcrowded and had become a shady spot with these large maple trees that were probably very small when these were planted down the boulevard. But this year they're really starting to look gorgeous. These look pretty from the road, but I also use these to cut. It's nice to have flowers set aside for a cutting garden. You don't feel bad cutting out of your borders. I've already cut 24 flowers out of this already, and you can still see a really pretty show.